if the fridge makes a sound, and this is a HiSense fridge, then what you do is you pull out from the freezer one of the compartment boxes, and then you see here, this is made out of plastic. It's not hard as the other sides, so if you can give it a little bash and it moves that it gives, then that means that it's fine. If it's rock hard, that means that there's ice filled up there and it's just kind of breaking off the ice. All you need to do is just give it a little tap, and then the ice should break, which will then in turn lead to hopefully the freezer not making that sound.